Vertical milling machine. The make of the machine is Induma, Italy. The table size of the machine is 1500 by 280 mm. And the working for X, Y, Z is 1100 mm for X, and the Y is 330 mm, and the Z is 500 mm. The spindle taper is ISO 50. Okay, start the longitudinal travel in feed. Okay, show me in rapid. Change the direction. Okay, show me in rapid. Okay, now show me cross travel in feed. Change the direction. Okay, show me in rapid. Change the direction. Now show me vertical travel in feed. Okay, now show me in rapid. Okay, change the direction. Show me in rapid. Now show me different feed rates. Here is the changing point. Change the speed. The low is 13 mm per minute and the high is 620 mm per minute. Right now it is on its 205 mm per minute. Change the feed. is on its 620 mm per minute. Okay, stop it. Stop it. Now show me different spindle speeds. Show me at 30 RPM, that is low RPM. Working of spindle at its low RPM, that is 30 RPM. The low is 30 and the high is 1500 RPM. And here is the changing for RPM speeds. It's 2-speed motor. So change the RPM. Show me at 245 RPM. Okay, show me at 1500 RPM. Working of spindle at its high RPM, that is 1500 RPM. Its head is 360 degree angular. It can be rotated. Okay, now show me quill travel, manual quill travel. The overall condition of the machine is in excellent condition.